In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to submit a Jotform, a straightforward process that can streamline your data collection efforts, whether you're gathering feedback, running surveys, or collecting leads. We'll walk through each step from beginning to end, providing you with the necessary insights to ensure your form submissions are successful and hassle-free. First off, if you haven't already, you will need to visit Jotform's official website. Simply type Jotform into your favorite search engine or enter www.jotform.com directly into your browser's address bar. Jotform prides itself on being a versatile form builder and form creator that caters to a wide range of needs, from simple polls to complex surveys. Once you've reached the homepage, the next step is to log into your Jotform account. You'll find the login option prominently displayed on the page. Click on it and you'll be directed to the login screen. Here, you have a couple of choices depending on how you've set up your account. If you've connected your Jotform account with Google or another platform, you can log in using those credentials. This integration feature makes the login process smooth and convenient, consolidating your various online activities under fewer passwords to remember. After successfully logging in, navigate to the My Forms section of Jotform. This section is where all your form creations live. It's your personal dashboard for form management, offering a comprehensive overview of your activities on Jotform. Whether you need to make adjustments to an existing form or want to review responses, this is where you start. Now, within the My Forms section, sift through your forms until you find the one you intend to submit. Once you've located the correct form, you'll see an Edit Form option. Click on it and you'll be taken to the Form Builder interface. This is where Jotform really shines, offering a wide array of tools and elements to tailor your forms precisely to your needs. In the Form Builder, look for the option labeled Add Element. Clicking on this will expand a selection of elements you can add to your form to collect different types of information or enhance the form's functionality. It's all about customization and ensuring you gather the information you need in the most efficient way possible. Finally, and most importantly, you'll need to add a Submit button to your form if it doesn't already have one. The Submit button is crucial because it's how respondents officially send their completed forms to you. Locate the Submit element in the list and click on it to add it to your form. You can position it wherever you like, typically at the bottom of the form after all questions and fields. And there you have it, the comprehensive process to submit a Jotform. Remember, the goal of Jotform is to make form creation and submission as streamlined as possible, and with these steps, you're well on your way to achieving just that. Keep in mind, successful form submission is not just about the technical steps, but also about creating a form that's easy and intuitive for your respondents. Pay attention to form design, question clarity, and the overall user experience. Before we wrap up, a few additional tips to consider. Always test your form before making it public. Ensure that the Submit button is clearly visible and labeled. And finally, review your form settings to understand where submissions are sent and how you'll be notified upon each submission. Thank you for joining me for this tutorial on how to submit a Jotform. Whether you're a first-time user or looking to brush up on the process, following these steps will ensure that your form submissions go off without a hitch. Happy form building!